it's me, Amelie, and today I'm doing a slime vlog because, as you know, I made some slime yesterday and now it's completely different. This is some of the slime I made yesterday, and then this is the rest of the slime I made yesterday. So I said that I would name it. I finally got around to naming it, and I've named it Cinderella's Castle because I thought that that fit well. And now what I'm doing, if you're wondering why half the slime's red, I'm turning it into floams. So I've already made one floam, but I need to add some more paint. And this one, oh, that's a nice colour. And it's like magenta because it looks different on camera. It's like a magenta. It's really nice. Sorry, I'm speaking weird. Yeah. So I'm going to finish the other floam in a minute. But I'm just making this slime right now because I really like this colour. And I'm also making it because it will make the slime less sticky if it's flown. And by the way, you guys, if you're wondering what paint I'm using, I'm not using pink, and I'm not using red food colouring, I'm not using purple, I'm using red paint. Red food colouring doesn't work because it colours the slime whatever colour it feels like. So yeah. If you want to make a surprise slime, I'd recommend it. But yeah. If you guys like it, then if you live in England, I can give you some because I bought a big thing of it and I thought it would work. It didn't. Oh no! It's like colouring my hands now. They added too much paint. But it's getting redder and redder and redder and redder and redder, and now it's like a magenta, which is really a nice colour. And I'm going to add some... Ooh. Oh no! By the way, you guys, if you don't want the bees to fall out, then add them in when you're making slime. But if you don't really mind, then add them in after you've made the slime. Anyway, I'm going to add some more contact lens because it's so sticky. Yes. So cool. I had McDonald's today and now it's really hyped me up. Yeah, 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 I love McDonald's. It looks like really pink on camera, but it's more dark than that on camera, so, yeah. Well, actually, if I'm moaning about the colour, I shouldn't actually be moaning about the colour, because this colour, like, I'll compare them. So that is the colour that I made it, and that's the colour it is now. So it's a very different colour, and only using a couple of skirts of red food colouring has made it a really nice colour, and it's very good now. I think I need bicarbonate of soda. You guys, tell me down below if you know how to make slime. If you're trying to make it less sticky, do you use contact lens solution and baking soda, or just contact lens? Because on mine, it's only said you need contact lens, so I don't know if that's right or not. Alright, I have got my slime now. It's still sticky, but you know, doesn't matter. Now I need to wash my hands because they're going to be stained red otherwise. And I'm not ending the video just to go and wash my hands. So, yeah. But, there we go. Pretty good. So now I'm going to move this slime aside and back into this pot that I've been activating all morning. And now it will come off the board. Want to go off the board so I can do something for the floam. The floam needs some love too. Guys, if you don't know what floam is, it's pretty much crunchy slime. I don't think I've showed you guys. This is the floam that I've made. It's so cool. But I'm going to pop it on my mat and turn the camera around. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get my floam beads. Whoops. Do that. So these feel amazing. They're like, it's like walking on air. Like if I slept in these, they'd be so nice. These are like things that they put inside Beanie Boos, by the way, you guys. Okay, anyway. So now I'm gonna get my floam. I'm just gonna dip it in. That's what it looks like. That's really cool. And in the camera so we can see me making it. Then what you want to do is keep on folding your slime and stretching it, curling it, stretching it like that, and curling it again. You keep on doing that until they're all mixed in, then you can take another dip. I call it a dip in the bead bath. Weird, I know. I'm gonna move this slime here, and I'm gonna put that slime there, and then I don't have to keep on moving the camera. Okay. Level would be a while. Anyway, I'm gonna turn the camera. Guys, if I'm making a slime and I'm like not looking at you and then I start singing, it's because I've forgotten that I'm recording and now start singing and get really distracted. So yeah, good luck for you guys, and I'm gonna laugh my head off if I watch this over and I do that. I'm like, I found to the end, and then I'm back like, alright guys, so next, and it really like expands the slime as well. I need so many of these to make it foam. Well, it's already foam, but I want like proper foam. It's got all foam beads. And it's Amelie Jayne. Or if I'm looking at the camera and singing, it's just because I'm being annoying. Oh, I've got a heater on in here and it's really warming up my feet really well. Okay, I'm almost finished with this slime. There we go, I think that's enough. Why do I stick my hands in it longer while I've touched the slime? Because I'm just sticking the glue. Go. I'm just going to knead that in. And like this slime, I only used a bit. I added a tiny bit of glue when I added my first batch of beads. And now it's like this big. It's really big. Remember to make this and comment down below if you've made this. And I'm going to make a part 2 of this because, yeah, it's going to take ages. So that was my first part and this is what it looks like. Awesome foam. I love this stuff. And I just add a tiny bit of contact lens. And hope someone watched the video and gives me feedback because I'm rubbish at making slime most of the time. And yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it and thumbs up. And comment down below if you